Commander! There's been a breach in security.
This could be serious. We have to hurry, Lieutenant.
Ha! You're too late!
Dr. Black. My old nemesis. I thought you died in that shark volcano.
Ha! You'll be the one who'll perish! After I reach my sword... I'll get it later.
I'll call for backup.
Action figures usually aren't very flexible. But Gujitsu is a new breed of satisfying action figures with awesome capabilities. Each GUI superhero is filled with a different material that offers a unique play experience. You can play with the super stretchy, the shimmeringly squishy, the satisfyingly crunchy, the glowing oozy, and much more. Their soft stretchiness makes them a tactile treat, and the distinct characters are great for creative playtime.
I'm gonna get you, Viper. Oh, but I've wicked indigestion.
Because he's filled with lava.
That's right. Just like when Daddy had the hot wings at the restaurant.
Before starting your Gujitsu collection at vat19.com, let's see what real kids think of them.
All right, we're gonna open up some presents. You wanna choose which one to open first?
Yeah, I'll pick the yellow one.
Good choice. Oh, okay. We got Pantaro. It's like a ninja panther. What does it feel like?
Slime.
Slimy inside? Yeah. All right, well, let's get inside this package and stretch this guy out. Pantaro! Go ahead, feel it.
Wait, it makes a bubble.
It's really cool because you can squeeze them as much as you want, but they don't pop. So he's got like these claws. He looks like a ninja master. Let's see how far his legs stretch. Can he do long kicks? Yeah, all right. He's doing the splits. It's like he has no bones in his body, but that makes him way more agile. He's very stretchy, very nimble.
Yeah, he could like hide behind a tree and just stretch his arm all the way away.
Yes. What color is the goo inside? Oh, look at that. If you kind of press it, it's blue. You don't even have to make him do any actions. You can just squeeze him and it's fun to...
Like if you're really mad, you can be like...
It's like a stress reliever. He's very mushy.
All right, you ready to start opening some toys?
Yes. Can I have the rainbow first, please?
Absolutely, let's get it. Yeah, Blazagon. It's pretty cool. It looks like a dragon. Let's see what he feels like. It's kind of gooey.
Gooey?
It's kind of lumpy though, right?
What?
Yeah, that's crazy looking. It almost looks like fish eggs or something. Sounds kind of gross. It looks super cool though. Is he pretty stretchy? Oh yeah.
Whoa.
That's some serious stretch. That's cool. So he's got like one fist, one open hand. He can grapple, do some gujitsu. Look at all the spikes on his back and on his forearms and stuff. That's pretty cool. He's got a tail, so I guess he could like whoosh, you know, kind of whip that around. Whoosh. Yeah, serious splits too. Dang. Oh, that was kind of a cool move. You could kind of do that to like one of the other guys, you know, just like whoosh.
It feels like gushy, slimy.
Do you think that's what lava feels like without the heat?
Pretty much.
Maybe.
You ready to open up the next package?
Yep.
Which one do you want?
I'll do the blue one.
Oh! This one looks cool.
I feel like super hard. If you look at it, this is bone. It's like bones.
I'm hearing sounds. This guy sounds crunchy, dare I say. This is Wolfbane. So he's full of like these little crunchy bones. Whoa! There's tiny little bones in there. They're both really stretchy.
They both have claws and have the same logo. They both have the
Oh, you're
paw.
right. These are so fun to stretch. I'm having too much fun. I gotta, you hear that? All right, let's compare the stretch. Lots of stretch.
Yeah, I think he has some more stretch.
I think you might be right. Wolfbane, despite how bulky and crunchy he is, he's also very nimble, very stretchy, very agile.
And which one do you want to pick?
Blue, please.
Blue present, bring it on. Oh, nice.
What?
Sahario, looks like a lion.
He feels like a rock.
Yeah, it's really hard, and especially compared to this one, it's so gooey. This one's got a different kind of goo, I think. Feels almost like maybe sand?
Definitely.
Kind of gritty?
Ooh, he's like more like pushable and stuff.
Kind of moldable. Like this guy just kind of springs back to his original shape, but when you press on this one, it kind of keeps like a dent in him, so I guess he can absorb the punches. Whoa, you can kind of see there's like clumps of sand in there. It's kind of gritty. So that one's kind of got like a gooey, like squishy sound when you squeeze it. Let's get a sound comparison. You want to squish yours? Definitely less gross, but that one's cool. It's just so squishy, and this one's just so sandy.
All right, I think we need a third one.
I'll pick the green one.
Okay, let's do it. All right, before we open up this next present, we wanted to show you some of the fun we had on set while shooting that first scene in this video, so you wanna see some bloopers? Let's do it.
Commander, there's been a breach in security.
This could be serious, Commander. You're not Commander.
Dang it.
Commander, there's been a breach in security.
I turned too soon. We have to hurry, Lieutenant.
Ha! I forgot my line.
Help!
That usually works.
Hello? No one's there.
Can you reach the sword?
I'll use my teeth.
Okay.
What is this thing?
I don't know. I can't stop looking at it.
That was weird.
Get back here. I'll look at you.
Who was that guy?
All right, here we go. Oh, this package looks bigger. Yeah! What?
It's a double.
It's a double!
We got a shark.
That's
and
Thrash.
We got a alligator.
That's Rockjaw. In the battle pack, you get one good guy and one bad guy.
Bad guy.
And then you can make them battle.
Oh, and it glows in the dark.
Rockjaw and Thrash.
This guy has teeth.
He's full of teeth?
Yeah.
Whoa, look, yeah, there's little crocodile teeth in there. It has that same kind of crunchy feel that Wolfpain
loud.
had. Yeah, loud.
But
Now,
Wolfpain doesn't have a tail.
true, so he could whip that tail around to fight. Yeah, because the tail's stretchy too. Now Thrash is very different than any of the ones that we've felt so far.
Because he stretches, but he takes forever to go back to normal.
He's kind of like dense. So these three are good guys, right? And
Yeah.
then Rockjaw is the bad guy.
Because he has a different logo.
Yep, this one might be my favorite. Which one is your favorite?
I'm probably gonna have a tie against these two.
You like the crunchy ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that glows in the dark. So to get these guys to glow, you just kind of take them underneath the light and charge them up for a few seconds. Only some of them glow. So look at Rockjaw, super
Yeah.
like fluorescent green. They almost look like they're radioactive or something, right? All right, I've got my favorite, Thrash. Calvin's got his favorite, Rockjaw. Good guys versus bad guys. You ready? Whoa. Do like a tail whip. Cartwheel. These are so fun. All right, you want to trade? Because I kind of want to try this guy. These guys are over here just watching, just spectators.
Okay, it looks like we've opened most of them. There's only one left. Quick shout out to Moose Toys for sponsoring this video. Not only do they make Gujitsu, they make some other sweet products we sell, like Mighty Beans, which are collectible little toys with an explosive unboxing and a ton of different ways to play.
Or Treasure X, which lets you dig to find buried booty, like your own skeleton hunter, and gold-plated treasure.
And as a special sneak peek, we can tell you that there's a new Treasure X coming out soon that lets you dissect your own alien to rescue the treasure hunter and treasure inside, and play with the alien's ooze afterward. So you can check out all those great toys at vat19.com. And let's get unboxing this last present. Oh, what?
Two in here?
So this is a battle pack. You get 2 fighters, 1 good guy, 1 bad guy.
The sound is like for its like voice. Maybe.
Yeah, it's kind of like a hiss. So he's got a sand strike, and Tigor has a flash burst. Do you see that? Look at this. You see those like little sparkly like foil strips? They're like, they shimmer like metal. So which one is your favorite of these 4?
This one.
I like snakes, so I'm gonna stick with this guy, and I think this will be a good match because that's a good guy. This is a bad guy. Let's battle! Oh yes, like a long punch. Maybe they can wrap him up. Wrap him up. Just squeeze the life out of you. You did that cool attack we were talking about earlier. Kick. I'm gonna jump kick. Oh, I missed. Oh, you defeated him. He's out for the count.
Hooray!
KO. All right, thanks for watching, and Max, thanks for playing. It's a ton of fun. If you want to pick up your own heroes of Gujitsu, go to vat19.com. Sneak attack. Oh, yeah. Don't look out!
Double kill.
That19.com.